Let's see how to change the screen color using RGB numbers. To understand these three lines, watch the video in the description. Let's choose a screen color. SC is a screen, write BG color and choose any color. By default it's white, maybe I choose a black to show you how it looks like. You see a black screen. I can change this black color to white and see if it works. Yes. And how do I write this in numbers? So if I have to write in numbers, first let me pick the screen's color mode. Because it's in string, the word mode, I have to change it to the number mode. So colors will have a shade from 0 to 255. That's the reason I'm writing 255. That's the maximum number. So now here, let me write black color using numbers 0, 0, 0. So what are these three numbers? So these three numbers are nothing but RGB numbers, the red, green, blue numbers. So let me write it here. So first one is the red color and green and then blue, which are the primary colors which will mix to give you a particular color. So let me check. It's a black. So what if I need only red? So I change this to 255. Rest of them are zeros. So let's see. It's a red color. So if I change this green to maybe 100, see what color we get. It's orangish shade. So if I put blue 150, so these three numbers will give us pink color. So how do I know which number is which color? So I will give you a hint. So use RGB color picker. Open any of these websites. I'll pick this website. So here you can pick any color and any shade. So you see RGB numbers change. Okay, let me choose this color and this shade. So I'll put these numbers to get this color 81, 211, 220. So here the red is 81, green is 211 and blue is 220. Let me run. We got the same shade. So this is how you pick a background color using RGB numbers. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.